Natural light has a powerful impact on how your home looks and feels. In West Valley City, where homeowners experience bright summers and shorter winter days, maximizing daylight can make a noticeable difference in comfort and mood year-round. One of the most effective ways to bring in more sunlight is by installing bow windows. Bow windows are designed with multiple glass panels arranged in a gentle outward curve. This unique structure allows light to enter from several angles, making rooms feel brighter, more open, and more inviting. Capturing light from multiple directions. Unlike flat windows that face a single direction, bow windows extend outward from your home's exterior. Because of their curved design, they capture sunlight from different angles throughout the day. In West Valley City homes, this means morning light can enter from one side panel. Midday light fills the center window. Afternoon light streams in through the opposite side. This multi-directional light exposure keeps interiors consistently brighter compared to traditional window styles. Expanding glass surface area. Bow windows typically consist of 4 or more connected window panels. This larger glass surface area naturally allows more daylight to enter your home. In living rooms, dining areas, or master bedrooms, the increased glass space transforms darker corners into vibrant, well-lit areas. For homeowners who want to reduce reliance on artificial lighting during the day, bow windows are a practical solution. Brightening winter days. West Valley City winters can bring shorter daylight hours and overcast skies. During these months, every bit of natural light counts. Bow windows help maximize available daylight by extending beyond the home's wall line, allowing more sky exposure. This extra light can make indoor spaces feel warmer and more uplifting during colder seasons. Natural light also helps combat the gloomy feeling that sometimes accompanies winter weather. Creating a more spacious feel. Light and space go hand in hand. When more daylight enters a room, it naturally feels larger and more open. Bow windows not only brighten interiors but also create the illusion of expanded space. Because they project outward, they add a subtle sense of depth to the room. Many West Valley City homeowners use the additional floor area for cozy reading nooks, window seating, decorative plant displays, built-in storage benches. The combination of added light and expanded space enhances both comfort and functionality. Enhancing views of the outdoors. West Valley City offers beautiful mountain views and scenic surroundings. Bow windows frame these views beautifully, creating a panoramic effect. The curved design widens your line of sight, allowing you to enjoy outdoor landscapes from multiple angles. This stronger connection to the outdoors makes your living space feel brighter and more integrated with nature. Supporting energy efficiency. Modern bow windows are designed with energy-efficient features that allow you to enjoy more light without excessive heat gain or loss. Features such as double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reduce heat transfer, argon gas fills for added insulation. These technologies help maintain indoor comfort during both hot summers and cold winters in West Valley City. You can enjoy increased natural light without sacrificing energy performance. A beautiful and functional upgrade. Beyond the practical benefits, bow windows add architectural elegance to your home's exterior. Their graceful curve enhances curb appeal while delivering functional advantages inside. For homeowners looking to brighten living spaces, reduce dependence on artificial lighting, and create a more welcoming atmosphere, bow windows are an excellent investment. Bringing more light into West Valley City homes. Natural light transforms a house into a home. Bow windows make it possible to capture more daylight, enjoy panoramic views, and create brighter, more inviting interiors. In West Valley City, where seasonal changes affect lighting conditions, installing bow windows is a smart way to enhance both beauty and comfort, allowing your home to feel open, warm, and illuminated all year long.